Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine students. Today I am going to start our second lesson, that is the sunflower plant. Remember, recite Bismillah before starting your work, read after the teacher and listen to the teacher carefully. Task number 1. Let's read some new words from the text. Number 1. Sunflower. I saw the beautiful sunflowers in the garden. Number 2. Gardener. A gardener waters the plant. Number 3. Heavy. The sunflower pot is very heavy. Number 4. Show. She wanted to show a beautiful dress. Number 5. Quickly. Ali ran quickly to catch the ball. Number 6. Spiky. The stems of some flowers are spiky. Okay student, look at this flower. It has a spiky stem. So whenever you see the spiky stem, be careful while holding it. Okay student, now repeat the word with me once again. Sunflower, heavy, gardener, show, quickly, spiky. Now make some more sentences of these words. Okay student, now look this flower. It is a sunflower. The sunflower is yellow and round. It always stands tall and faces towards the sun. It has many yellow and bright petals and has many brown seeds in the center. It is used to make oil and for decoration. Task number 2. Let's move towards the lesson. Open your book Vision 2 and turn to page number 12. You must read with me. Put your index finger under each word while reading. The sunflower plant. It is spring. Flowers are in full bloom. There are beds of brightly colored flowers in the school garden. Okay student, the weather is spring and flowers are in full bloom. There are so many beds of brightly colored flowers in the school garden. Behind the beds are rows of big sunflowers. Behind the beds rows there are sunflowers. They are tall and straight and face the sun. The big yellow flowers have brown centers. Okay students, I have shown in the picture as well. There are the brown centers in the big yellow flower. Miss Samina wanted to show her class a sunflower plant. The sunflower is a very useful plant. We make cooking oil from its seeds, she said, pointing to the flowers in the garden. Miss Samina is the teacher and Miss Samina wanted to show her class a sunflower plant. So Miss Samina is explaining that the sunflower plant is very useful. We can make the cooking oil as well from its seeds, and she said, pointing to the flowers in the garden. Raza Bilal quickly ran to Mali Baba and get a sunflower plant, said Miss Samina. Miss Samina said to Raza and Bilal that go to the Mali Baba and get the sunflower plant. The pot will be very heavy, said Raza as they ran out of the class. Raza was saying in the way that the pot will be very heavy. Don't worry Raza, we can lift it up together, said Bilal. Bilal said, don't worry, we can lift it up together, patting Raza on the back. They looked for Mali Baba in the garden. Now they are in the garden and they are looking for Mali Baba. Mali Baba, where are you? They called out. What do you want? Why are you out of your class? Asked the old gardener. Now Mali Baba has come and asking, what do you want and why are you out of your class? Turning off the water tap. Oh, there you are. Please give us a sunflower plant, said Raza. Now Raza is saying, Mali Baba, please give us a sunflower plant. A big one please, said Bilal. Bilal is saying, a big one please. We want to see the seeds from which oil is made, said Raza. And I want to see how the flower turns and moves its head with the sun, said Bilal. You can take any one of those plants, but be careful, the stems are spiky, warned the gardener. What Raza said? Raza said that we want to see the seeds from which oil is made. Raza wanted to see the seeds of the sunflower. And what Bilal said? Bilal said, I want to see how the flower turns and moves its head with the sun. And then Gardner said, Gardner warned that you can take any one of those plants, but be careful, the stems are very spiky. I have showed you the spiky stem, so whenever there is a spiky stem, just be careful while holding it. Mali Baba, please take one out for us, said Bilal. Now Bilal is requesting that Mali Baba please take out one pot for us. All right, be patient, said the gardener, brushing off his hands. He picked up a pot with bright yellow flowers in it. There were 3 flowers and one small bud on the plant. Now Mali Baba take out one pot and there were 3 flowers and one small bud on the plant. See how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala changes this from one stage to another. Can you see the little bud? Watch them grow into a big flower just like this one, said the gardener, pointing at the sunflower. Now the gardener telling to Raza and Bilal that how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala changes things from one stage to another. You can see the little bud, it will convert it into the big flower. Bilal and Raza lifted up the pot from each side. Be careful, Raza, walk slowly, said Bilal. They carried the pot to the class, smiling at each other. Okay student, I hope you all enjoyed the reading, and this is your task to read page number 12 and 13. Jazakallah, Allah Hafiz, take care.